All right, guys, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Jack is out by his tires, just got done eating some cat food. We're getting ready for Dyno Day with kRusTy. So I guess I should be sound more motivated, but we were at the track last night, and you know what I mean. On the weekends, on my off days, I don't really get up super early. It's normally about an 8:30, 9 o'clock thing. So anyway, all right, but we're getting ready to go. We're gonna hit the road. We're gonna meet Pirate, and get some breakfast, and then we'll be at the dyno. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, we're here in Hardee's. We're getting ready to go to the dyno. We're trying to be quiet because there's a lot of old people in here. It's really early. Pirate has got a ham. Do you guys get ham biscuits on the Pirate ship? Just oranges to keep the scurvy away.
No, man, we don't do that.
No. Okay, we got our breakfast, and we're going to eat, and then we're going to go to the dyno and spin the rollers. Don't that sound like a lot of fun? Old people
that sounds like a lot of fun.
What's it going to make?
The 275 horsepower.
Which is only 4 less than your automatic carb.
Right.
All right, we got to go.
Wait a minute, don't go.
Oh, wait, no. What do you mean?
Now we're at the Hardee's. We're having breakfast before we go to the dyno. What's your car going to make today? What's kRusTy going to make today?
kRusTy's going to make,
400 and what?
No. It's going to make like 329. 329.
All right, peace out. We got to go.
Yeah. All right, make a pull on the Cobra. David's assured me he's finger banged 8 horsepower into it. It made 281. Yeah, look at the camera. I'm filming, you filming. 283, 274. Picked up 2 horsepower, 4 foot-pounds of torque. I thought David finger banged 8, but he prematurely finger banged it.
Is that Rodney?
What?
Is that Rodney here?
What? Oh my God!
Hey, it's Rodney.
Oh,
You're
wait a
at the
minute.
dyno.
Wait a minute. I'm the only one with a YouTube channel, damn it. Wait, no, stop. Stop it. Stop filming me. I'm camera shy. Look at this. I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Yeah, but it looks fast.
It looks fast. Look at all these numbers.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh, look at all that. That's science right
That's
there.
trigonometry
That's
right
that's calcunometry. Look at that.
Oh, look right there. You see
I
what
can't
happened?
even. Hold on. My phone's.
No, right there. Do you see what happened right there?
Yes, something happened. I don't know what though. Those numbers. That's the Matrix. My phone's about to lock up trying to process this. I don't. Look at this. David is a human. He's a supercomputer.
Look at that.
He's a
That's the
Terminator.
Matrix, man.
He's a
You're
Terminator.
dodging bullets. He's bending him around the curve.
Yes. He's a T. What model are you? A T500? Because the T1000 is Arnold, and that was 1983.
Terminator will be here in 5 minutes.
The Terminator is here. He's right there. He wears glasses though, so his eyes may not work that well. All right, we got to go 283. Yeah, 274. All right. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is an actual street car being unloaded from the trailer. Man, this thing's got a case of the raw ass. Listen to it. Woo! Damn, that's 300 horsepower right there. That's a push rodness. That's push rodness right there. That's the push rod. Look at that. Oh, he got a headlight out. He done sucked the damn headlight slap out of it. Look at this thing. Snapping necks and cashing checks. Holy crap. This is a beast. Look at Johnny. Johnny walking away. He's amazed at the power. Holy mackerel. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Look at that. Got the Hearst pistol grip in it. Woo! Who knew 300 horsepower could be so rowdy sounding? Woo! Oh, the reverse lights don't work. Hey, mister, is that a race car?
That's my mom's car.
Wow, your mom's awesome.
Died 12 years ago.
you see, all this did was just get Michael totally scratching his head now. Johnny, you just messed him all up. You just messed him up. Now look at him. Look at the consternation on his face. He's trying to figure out what is going on.
It's voodoo. Something wrong with it.
Okay, it
CT.
made good power, but we don't know. I'm looking at Max.
Man ain't got his glasses on.
Yeah, I don't have my glasses on. Sorry.
49, 84, whatever it takes.
Well, it went from 37 to 49.
Yeah, it's just got a little warmer. That's all.
Yeah.
Got a little heat in it.
Yep.
It's got the oil thinned up.
Now he's really gonna be scratching his head.
All right, supposed to make more than that?
No.
No, he didn't.
He was thinking it was gonna make less than that based on
Performance.
based on the time slips. You gonna make another one?
Well, I'll have to turn it back down to 58 because before the shift light comes on at 6, it's getting in the limiter. I just turn it down a little bit.
Huh.
Okay, yeah.
Well, now we got all kinds of, man, on the way home, I can't imagine what's gonna be running through that head.
I told you there's something wrong with it.
Yeah, now he's really gonna be worried, thinking about it now. He just knew this thing was gonna make,
like 280.
yeah, it's gonna make like garbage horsepower. He's like, well, that's why it's not running, but now it's like, okay, what the heck's going on?
I want to hide the sharp instruments on the way home.
Now watch kRusTy will get up there and make 325. That's the story of my life. Oh, sorry.
You gotta look at the average
Yeah,
horsepower, like 4,000.
yeah. I didn't look at the curve that hard. Well. Yeah, well, sometimes you just gotta let people know it's coming. All right, now we're ready. Bumped up the timing a little bit.
Sitting there idling for a while.
Yeah, it's getting warm. Yeah, made good power. All right. Ready to get it off the rollers. All right, we'll be back. Get back on the trailer. Get it on the trailer. Get that streetcar on the trailer. Get that thing on a trailer. And there it is.
Piece of junk.
Is the fan on?
Yeah.
Oh, is it on a...
It's on a
oh, okay. It's on a thermostat. Gotcha.
It's on a switch too.
Well, there it is. The pirate ship, the Black Pearl.
Sails.
Made good numbers.
Just a slow car.
Something, yeah. That...
If you
in
on
one...
a straight roll, if you're driving it straight, you're pushing the clutch, and it's like you're putting brakes on. There's something, like I said, the chassis or something that's not square.
Huh.
It is what it is.
In one way, it's good. It made good power, but it just doesn't
I just wish I
run
knew at the rate of acceleration.
quite like I thought it would, or whatever. So, all right, well, we'll get kRusTy up there in a few minutes. So. All right, McBuddy's got his junk on the dyno. What cam's in this thing?
I don't know.
It's got a I don't know in it. That's probably like 500 lift. AOD. Got a converter. Got a Thunderbird mass air. Got a waffle griddle. Street heat intake. Shorty headers. 8 pipe. Got AOD. Like I said that. Man. Oh, 190, 219. It's too hot. I'll tell you how to add 25 horsepower to it right now. The T5 in it.
Yeah.
That'll get it right there. Johnny, did that feel like 190?
Yeah.
That's the strongest 190 you ever felt, isn't it? Huh?
Well, I don't know.
Listen, don't sugarcoat it.
It felt good to me.
Felt good to Johnny. All right, a round for everybody. Felt good to Johnny. 190. Woo!
Gonna make a second run? Make another run? Sure.
Just keep running it till it runs out of gas, Johnny. Has it got a shift light in it? Use your own discretion.
Rev limiter is 7,500.
Yeah, rev limiters where them E7s say we're out. Look at that. It's hammer time. He's got the hammer in there.
Oh yeah. It's got a hammer in it.
Look at that. That's uh-oh, wait a minute. That's race car stuff, Johnny.
I thought you called that.
That's race car stuff. Go. Pull it again. One more. Little wound up. Woo! Goodness gracious. You gonna break the dyno, Johnny? Kidding me? Oh, whoopsie.
Did I break 200?
You damn right. 214, 252. Yeah.
Right,
See,
I'm gonna have to charge you for all the fun you got.
Johnny,
You should be paying me just for standing around.
I'm telling you. Well, just put it on the end of my bill.
I turned a little bit farther. That
Yeah. See, when you let Johnny turn it at his own discretion, the numbers just start climbing. They just start climbing.
When did they peak horsepower at about 46?
Probably, yeah. Probably not 5,000, about 5,100.
Yeah.
Cam did do something.
Yeah, there you go. Did something. Johnny did something.
I don't know.
Yeah, you just said it's the I don't know. That's a custom grind.
Huh? Like John Hawkins or something like
Dash
that?
D
Did it have any other numbers?
dash KNOW dash 3.
Nope.
I don't know.
It's a 5,100.
The peak is at 5,100. Yeah, look at that. Man. All right, we got to go. We're making too much power here.